Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 1997 to 2003 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove the bed from your frame. Cut off the factory front bed mount and any obstructions in the work area. Then, cut out the 4 rivets retaining the top of your cab mount crossmember. Punch out the rivets using a punch. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Our part features a perforated plate that must be cut and removed to fit over the raised bump on your frame rail. To do this, cut and separate the top and bottom of your frame section from the plate. Then, set the plate aside. Step 4. After separating your frame section into 3 pieces, take the top and bottom of your frame section and clamp it onto the frame using C-clamps. Use the frame holes to help with the alignment. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the top and bottom of your center frame section into place. After tacking the top and bottom of your frame section, take the frame section's plate and position it over the raised bump on your frame rail. Secure it into place with a C-clamp. Then, tack weld the plate onto the frame before welding it on fully. Step 5. After welding on your frame section, reinstall your crossmember. Then, reinstall or replace your front bed mount using the installation video on our YouTube channel. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!